Hey, welcome to my channel. I am the Wooden Robot, and I am putting this channel together to make, learn, teach, give advice, tell jokes, be goofy. So stick with me, subscribe, and like the video. And I'm gonna let you into my world of making things. We're gonna end up going through this building behind me, which is my workshop. I'll probably be shooting videos in that behind me for cooking, maybe giving advice. I'll probably get in the driveway, show you how to change a tire on a car, maybe check the oil, that sort of stuff. And maybe even how to play fetch. I don't know where she went with Wanda, my assistant. Might meet my kids, my neighbors, all that sort of stuff. So stick around. I plan on posting as many videos as possible. Hopefully we get to learn something and go on an adventure and have fun while we're doing it. Thanks.